Get ready to witness a new era in the world of drones. DJI, the leader in aerial technology, is about to reveal its latest and most anticipated release to the world, the DJI Neo, a drone that is already generating a wave of excitement among filmmakers and enthusiasts worldwide. Imagine a device that goes far beyond anything you've seen before, a tool that combines innovation, practicality, and performance in one compact body. The DJI Neo promises not only to meet expectations, but to exceed them in ways you never imagined. With its futuristic design and advanced technology, the Neo is ready to elevate your content to a whole new level. This is not just another drone. It's a miniature revolution, a tool designed to transform how you capture and share the world around you. The DJI Neo is coming, and with it, a new way to fly, to see, and to create. But the surprises don't stop there. In the shadows of the internet, rumors began to circulate, and what was once just speculation is now taking shape. Renowned leaker Igor Bogdanov, known for predicting the biggest tech releases, has revealed exclusive photos confirming the design of the highly anticipated DJI Neo. The leaked images show us a drone with surprisingly compact proportions, but a striking presence. What immediately stands out is its camera, equipped with a vertical axis gimbal, ready to capture stable and fluid images from any angle. And speaking of stability, the Neo comes with DJI's advanced RockSteady technology, ensuring every recorded frame is absolutely flawless. On the front of the Neo, we find QuickShot's control buttons and mode familiar to DJI fans, but with a possible new feature that promises to revolutionize even further: voice control. Imagine simply speaking, and the drone obeys, turning the capture of moments into an even more intuitive experience. And for those passionate about total immersion, the DJI Neo can be controlled not just with the traditional remote, but also through FPV goggles and motion, a way to literally fly as if you were inside the drone, navigating the skies with maximum precision. The leaks are real, and expectations are higher than ever. The DJI Neo is getting closer, and the revelations so far only increase the anticipation to see what else is coming. When it comes to safety, DJI never disappoints. And with the DJI Neo, it's no different. The commitment to user protection, peace of mind, is evident in every detail of this revolutionary drone. The propeller guards are carefully designed to cover all directions, providing an extra layer of safety during every flight. This not only protects the drone, but also makes the DJI Neo a safe and reliable choice for all types of pilots, including children. Yes, you heard that right. Weighing just 135 grams, the Neo is lightweight, agile, and above all safe. Perfect for young adventurers ready to explore the skies. And safety doesn't stop there. The DJI Neo is equipped with obstacle and positioning sensors on the underside, a true technological shield that ensures smooth landings and takeoffs, even in challenging environments. These sensors act like extra eyes, always alert to avoid any mishaps, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, capturing spectacular images. With the DJI Neo, you can fly with confidence, knowing that DJI has put your safety first. A drone that takes care of you while you take care of your creativity. Let's now dive into the impressive technical specifications of the DJI Neo, which prove how this drone, despite its compact size, is a true giant in terms of performance. With dimensions that defy expectations, the DJI Neo stands 130 mm tall, with a width of 150 cm and a thickness of just 48.5 mm, and the weight, an incredible 135 grams. These numbers aren't just statistics. They represent the precision engineering that makes this drone a masterpiece of portability and efficiency. But don't be fooled by its size, because performance is where the DJI Neo truly shines. 18 minutes of continuous flight, taking you to heights of up to 2,000 meters, and covering distances of up to 7 kilometers. This is the kind of freedom that allows you to explore new horizons, capturing breathtaking scenes with total confidence. And speaking of capturing moments, the DJI Neo is equipped with a professional quality camera. Its 1-mount 2-inch CMOS sensor offers 12 megapixels of resolution, with an f2.8 aperture that lets in enough light to capture sharp details in any condition. With an ISO range of 100 to 6400, the Neo ensures your photos and videos come out flawless, no matter the set. And for filmmakers, the Neo records in 4K at 30 frames per second, delivering image clarity that is simply spectacular. All of this is supported by a 2-axis gimbal with a tilt range of 90° to 30°, ensuring every shot is smooth and stable, even in motion. With this technology, the DJI Neo allows you to create cinematic images effortlessly. With these specifications, the DJI Neo is not just a drone, it's a creative tool, compact and powerful, ready to turn your ideas into visual reality. But what really sets the DJI Neo apart are its innovative features, designed to make every flight an even more intuitive and engaging experience. Imagine being in a remote location without the need to worry about handling complicated controls. With the DJI Neo, this becomes a reality thanks to its voice control. Just say what you want and watch the drone execute your commands with precision. Simple, efficient, and surprisingly futuristic. This feature allows you to keep your focus on what really matters, creating spectacular images. For those who prefer a more traditional approach but still want simplicity, the DJI Neo comes equipped with the DJI RC-N3 remote control. This control is the perfect tool for beginners, combining ease of use with the ability to explore the drone's advanced features. With the RC-N3, even those just starting can feel like professionals in control. And the best part? Despite its compact size and wide range of features, the DJI Neo makes no compromises when it comes to image quality. Combining a powerful sensor with cutting-edge technology, this drone delivers high-resolution images, capable of capturing every detail with impressive clarity. It's the perfect balance between accessibility and performance, ensuring that anyone, regardless of experience, can create professional quality content. And now, the big question: when can you get the DJI Neo in your hands? And how much will it cost? Fortunately, the wait is almost over. The DJI Neo is set to launch on August 20th, a date already circled on the calendars of enthusiasts and professionals around the world. And here's the best part: all this power, innovation, and ease of use comes at a price that's hard to believe. The DJI Neo Fly More Combo package will be available for just $329. That's right, for an affordable price, you'll have at your disposal a high-quality drone packed with advanced features, ready to take your creativity to new heights. With the DJI Neo, DJI proves once again that it's possible to deliver cutting-edge technology at a price that fits your budget. It's an unmissable opportunity for anyone looking to venture into the world of drones, or for those already passionate about this technology and seeking the next big step. Mark your calendar, August 20th, and get ready to take off with the DJI Neo. Innovation has never been so accessible, and the sky is the limit for what you can create. If you like the content, consider subscribing and sharing it with your friends. See you in the next video.